Programming languages are structured systems of communication used by programmers to instruct computers on how to perform specific tasks. Each language has its own set of rules, syntax, and applications, allowing for the creation of a wide variety of software and applications. Types of programming languages. Low-level languages. Machine language. This is the most fundamental level of programming, composed of binary code that is directly executed by a computer's CPU. Assembly language. Slightly more advanced than machine language, it uses symbolic names instead of binary, making it easier for programmers to work with. High-level languages. Procedural languages. These languages follow a series of well-defined steps to achieve a task. Examples include C, Pascal, and Fortran. Object-oriented languages. These are based on the concept of objects, which can contain data and code. Examples include Java, C++, and Python tasks. Examples include JavaScript, PHP, and Ruby. Functional languages. These emphasize mathematical functions. Examples are Lisp, Haskell, and Erlang. Popular programming languages. 1. Python. Known for its readability and simplicity, Python is widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. 2. JavaScript. Essential for creating interactive web pages, JavaScript is a core technology of the World Wide Web, alongside HTML and CSS. 3. Java. A versatile and robust language used in web development, mobile apps, especially Android, and enterprise-level applications. 4. C++, an extension of C that includes object-oriented features. It's used in systems/software development, game development, and high-performance applications. 5. C#, developed by Microsoft, this language is commonly used in developing Windows applications, games with Unity, and enterprise software. 6. Ruby. Known for its simplicity and productivity, Ruby is primarily used in web development with the Ruby on Rails framework. 7. Swift. Created by Apple, Swift is used for developing iOS and macOS applications. It is praised for its performance and safety. Choosing the right language. The choice of a programming language depends on several factors, including the project's goals, performance requirements, ease of learning, and community support. Here are some considerations. Project goals. Some languages are better suited for specific types of projects, such as web development, mobile apps, game development, or data analysis. Performance requirements. Certain languages offer superior performance for specific tasks. Ease of learning. Beginners may prefer languages with a simpler syntax. Community and support. A large and active community can provide valuable resources and support for learning and troubleshooting. The future of programming languages. The landscape of programming languages is always evolving. New languages and improvements to existing ones are making programming more efficient, safe, and accessible. Trends such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data are driving the development and adoption of new programming languages and paradigms. Understanding programming languages is crucial for anyone interested in technology and software development. These languages are the tools that allow us to create the software and applications that power our modern world.